Hey there everyone, it's 2026 and with the new year comes new laws, and I'm going to run through some real estate related ones over the next few days. And we're going to start with AB 628. And what this means is in a rental unit, landlords from January 1st onwards have to provide a working stove and a working refrigerator. Now this is for new leases or leases that are renewed after January 1st. Now with the refrigerator, the tenant and the landlord can agree that the tenant wishes to use their own, but landlords cannot, under any circumstances, make that a condition of tenancy. Hopefully that's helpful, and there's more to come. Thanks. Bye.